So now we've moved to the variability worksheet within our workbook. And we're going to look at making a high variability chart and a low variability chart. And for these we'll be doing XY scatter plots. And again, this all sounds so much scarier than it actually is. And I have nothing but empathy because I hear I have to do statistics and I have to make charts and my heart starts beating and then I start doing it and I'm laughing at myself. So here we go. We start off doing what we already did with our two columns. We did the mean, there's our average, right? Equals average, and there's our formula. Did the median, did the mode, did the standard deviation for both of these. All right, so now for our first chart, we want to do the low variability. So we simply grab all of the data. We don't go down and include the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation for this. We just grab our test scores and we go back up to insert. And we want to insert a chart. And when I just click on chart, I can get XY scatter. And there it is. It did it for me. There's my low variability. Now for high variability, the only slightly confusing thing here is because I'm trying to gather my students and my high variability without my low variability. Well, it's actually quite simple. On a PC, you would use your control key. On a Macintosh, you use your command key. What do I mean by this? So first, I'm going to once again highlight all my students. And I'm going to then, because I'm on a Macintosh, I'm going to hold down the command key and then scroll down my high variability list. All right. Now, if I'd been on a PC, on a Windows machine, I would have scrolled down my column A and then held down the control key while I scrolled column C. But I'm on a Mac, so I used the command key. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing. I go up to Insert, I go to Chart, and I'm doing an XY scatter plot. Boom, there it is. And if I wanted to equalize these, because see, this one goes to 100, this one goes to 60. Well, I can simply click on my axis and I get a pop-up to make it whatever I need. Boom, get out of my way. And there I can see much more directly in line my low variability versus my high variability. All right, so there you go. And then she remembered she forgot to try the Google Doc. So here we go. Let's see if this works as easily on the Google Doc, shall we? So we want to do first the low variability. Already did the mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. So let's scroll down. Do we want to include the low 0? The instructions that we were given said yes, so we will. And we will go to Insert. We will go to Chart. All right, now it defaulted to a bar chart, but that's not what I want. And I believe, thank you, Google. Boom, there's my scatter plot. That's easy enough. Thank you very much. Let's move you over here so that I can then do my high variability. Now this is the one that got a little tricky. So I copy all of column A and I'm on a Mac, so now I'm holding down my command key. On a PC you would hold down your, oh no, I'm supposed to go to 11. My bad. Hold down command, grab column C. If you're on a PC, you need to use control. Insert, insert chart. Once again, it defaults to a bar chart column, but I want to change it. Google makes this very easy. To a scatter. There we go. Alright, let me make this a little smaller. Let me make this a little smaller. There we go. So now you've seen how we can make this work on both an Excel spreadsheet and on a Google Doc. And I do have to say, the Google Doc chart guru is winning points with me.